just going to be updating the window class because I realized there's some bugs involved with hours. So the first thing I'm going to do is make these variables private. I'm also going to make them doubles. And then in the constructor, I'm going to pass in a double win width and a win height. And then I'm just going to set these variables equal to these parameters that we passed in here. Let's just delete everything here. And I'm going to make another function called public void set window attributes. This actually needs to be private. And then I'm just going to call this function inside the constructor. And then inside this function, we're going to set location relative to null. And we're also going to set the default close operation to jframe.exit on close, semicolon. And then I'm just going to make some getters for the name, the width, and the height of the window. So public static double get win width, and I'm going to return win width. And the same thing with the height. And then the same thing with the name. And since we're returning the win name, we need to actually create the variable up here. So we'll just say private static string win name. And then here we'll just set window.winName equal to win name. And then I'm actually going to create one more method called public void pack window. And inside here, we're just going to call the pack function, and we're going to set the resizable to false. And that's how we do that. So now we can go back to our entry class. And here we'll just call the function window.getWinWidth and window.getWinHeight. And here we'll just call the pack function. So window.pack, just like this. And this sets us up for the next video. And then before the boolean, we'll set window to be true. So we'll call window.setVisible and set it to true. And then if we run the game now, you can see a little window pops up, although it's extremely small, but we'll fix that in the next one when we create the render. So that's it for this one. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.